Sama kayo sa amin. I'm so excited. By the way, this is gonna be my second degree. Hindi pala degree. Oh, degree nga. Kasi kumuha ko ng unit. So, yan. Bachelor pa rin siya ng elementary education. Major na lang siya ngayon ng special education. So, let's go and sama kayo sa graduation ko. Cavite.
Alas Beatriz Isaya Gabriel D. Balance CJV. CJV Evan, Dayan R. Torres, Gretchen G. Redu, and last but not the least, Lolita E. Vaticanos. In recognition of consistently shown academic excellence, commendable leadership, active participation in activities, and exemplary character. Your dedication and commitment to excellence have made you a model student and source of inspiration to your peers. photo opportunity. We encourage everyone to please come here forward po. Please come here forward po for our photo opportunity.
Margo, come here. Mommy will just take a picture. Careful.
Camera in 3, 2, 1, smile. Smile po. One more. 1, 2, 3, smile. One for Jesus. Ready? 1, 2, 3, smile. One more po. 3, 2, 1, 2 thumbs up. 2 thumbs up. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. One more po, 2 thumbs up. Okay.
Yes, yes. Congrats! Naklonit, magpasagot gulaman ka. Okay, God bless, God bless. God bless po. Yes, God bless po. Everyone, thank you very much. May malapit na bon.
We're gonna eat here as a celebration of my graduation. Let's go eat ang bawal. Kain tayo ng pang-allergy. Let's go, dampa. Oh my God, hindi makita yung ano, puro droplets.
Patay lang ako.
Graduation guys, uwi na kami. Ayan, yay! I'm officially graduate na ng special education. So congratulations mom! Congratulations! Aray ko! Ayan, so uwi na kami. Let's go, let's go, let's go.